In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logic in your Typeform to create dynamic, personalized question flows. This process is all about enhancing the user experience by ensuring that each respondent only sees the questions that are relevant to them. This way, your survey or form becomes more engaging and tailored, ultimately leading to better data collection and happier respondents. To begin, let's start by understanding what logic in Typeform really does. Logic allows you to customize the user's journey through your form. Instead of presenting everyone with the same set of questions, logic helps you direct respondents to specific questions based on their previous answers. This means, for example, if a question is not relevant to a respondent, they can skip it entirely, streamlining their experience and keeping them engaged with the form. Now, let's talk about how to add this logic using the Workflow tab. A quick note before we dive in. If you're on a mobile device right now, you'll want to switch over to a desktop because the logic feature isn't available in Typeform's mobile builder. Once you're on your desktop, open up the form you want to edit. Look for the Workflow tab found at the top of your screen and click on it. From there, select the option labeled Branching. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to start by deciding which question you want to use to begin your branching logic. Once you've chosen that, click on the option to add a rule. You'll see this as a +Add Rule button associated with your selected question. This is where you define your condition. For instance, if your respondent answers a particular question in a certain way, you can set the condition to, if answer is X, jump to question Y. This decision-making step is crucial, as it determines how different respondents will navigate through your form, effectively creating a personalized path for each one. For a more refined form experience, you can add in segmentation or scoring actions. This is particularly useful if you're looking to tag users based on their answers, such as categorizing respondents as high-quality leads. And there you go. You simply repeat this process for as many questions and conditions as necessary to cover all possible outcomes in your form. The possibilities are quite extensive, allowing you to create multiple branches that address a wide array of participant responses. With all that said, you're all set to build a more dynamic and personalized Typeform experience that caters to each individual responder's needs. These thoughtful tailoring steps will certainly make a great impact on the effectiveness and enjoyment of your form. Happy form building!